Ladies and gentlemen, today it's a beautiful Sunday, so let's make this day extra colorful with our Sunday course. I know most of you are having several colors on your plate, or it's called 7 colors, yes, whatever that is. So I decided to share my plate with you. I made chuck steak, potato salad, pumpkin, and the famous braai chakalaka. So with this one, you can never go wrong. If it's not there, the braai is incomplete. So we'll start off by chopping our onions, then followed by our peppers. Then we grate some carrots and some chili, but this is optional. If you don't like it, you don't have to add it. In your pan, you'll add a spoon of olive oil. Then you saute your onion and your garlic. Then you add your peppers, followed by your carrots. Then you season generously. Make sure it's not too dry. If it's dry, add a little bit of olive oil. Then add your baked beans. And just like that, our chakalaka was done, and also our chuck was done. So do you see how easy this meal is coming together? So for the potato salad, I fried my bacon. Then I chopped it into smaller pieces. Then I chopped some dill, onions, celery. Then I peeled off my potatoes and my eggs. And I must highlight the love I have for this salad. I love it so much, and I don't know if I'm the only one, but I'm a huge fan. And even today's meal was inspired by the fact that I wanted to have the potato salad, so I had to decide what am I gonna have it with. So yeah, we'll cut our potatoes into smaller cubes and our eggs. Then we put everything in a bowl. Then we prepare our salad dressing, which has the mayo, sour cream, Dijon mustard, a squeeze of lemon, salt, and pepper. And just like that, our salad was ready. Look at how beautiful it came together. It was now time to plate it up. And I can tell you for sure, I enjoyed every bite in this meal. Everything was complementing each other very well. This was very, very delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all chocolate love.